Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Ratchet and Clank, getting ammo. So I'm pretty much out. Oh my god, I have nothing. But, sorry for my inability to speak at the moment. I just got done wolfing down some pizza, and it was really good. So, I'm going to keep enjoying that. Oh, let's go ahead and just, while we fill up all of my ammo, because I have a lot. Alright, back it out. Okay, so let's get it rolling here. We are on the, whatever this place is called, the something station. Gim something station. It's a station full of stuff. Make sure we, as always, make sure we get the bolts. Get all the bolts. We need all the bolts we can get. Alright, so let's go down. We are right in the corner here. We are getting close to the end. We've got 3 or 4 more planets that we go to. More flying guys, my favorite. So the mine glove, which we're going to use for a little bit here, just so you can see all the new weapons. I actually picked it up kind of off camera. Sorry about that. At the end of the last episode. But as you see, it throws out little mines that go and attack the guys. It's actually fairly useful. I actually prefer it over the bomb glove. So I'm going to kind of put it up where the bomb glove area is. It's because it's more direct when you get in vicinity of a guy. You can kind of run around and use it. I like weapons in these kind of games where I don't have to necessarily aim. Call me lazy, call me whatever. But those tend to be the easiest and more useful weapons for me. Let's get on up here. So let me go ahead and put that on. I forgot, I still don't even have it on my wheel, so let's go ahead and do that real fast. Alright, mine glove. There we go. Alright. Let's keep it rolling here. Aha, I figured it out. That's how you do it. Alright, let's keep it moving. Pick that mine glove back up. We're going to use this for a little while. I really like, like I said, I really like this weapon. It's a pretty effective weapon, as you will see. So I'm just kind of throwing mines out and just kind of jumping around and trying not to get hit. Woo! Oh, that was cool. The little flip. And yeah, see, look. You know, I like weapons like that. I like weapons that I can just run in, run around, spam the shot, and it does damage. It's great. And this zone right here is a little, if I remember correctly, it's been, you know, like I said, it's always been about 2 years since I played it. It's pretty difficult. We're getting to the end. The final boss in this game is actually really, I don't know if it's going to be super difficult for me this time, but the last time I did this, it was pretty brutal. Like, I think I died probably about 10-15 times, so we might get another death montage at the end of this series. Jesus Christ! Get out of here. Alright. Yeah, use that. This is pretty effective. Goodbye. Okay, get on up here. Get these bolts and let's keep it rolling. Alright, let's see. Ah, right here. That's where we go. Trespasser out. Alright. 1, 2, 3. So gotta make sure these don't block, so that's gotta go there. That goes there, so that means this one is there. That was an easy one. I like the one from the last episode. That one was kind of tough. Alright, let's move quickly. Move quickly. Whoa, what? God, what are you doing? Go. What are you doing? Alright. Oh, whoa, what am I doing? I just assumed it would go for that guy. Oh, shit. Alright, screw it. Just do that. Alright, let me get. Whoa, we need some health. That's what we really need right now. Let's get back up top. They make a weird sound when they die. They squeak. It's kind of sad. Oh, there's some health over there. Alright. Whee! Okay, so... Alright, let's get through this one here. Sure, nothing blocks nothing, so that can't go there. It can go there, so that's probably where it goes, to be honest. Okay, actually, just kidding. Alright, nope, so that can't, so that one probably has to go here. No. Alright, hold on. That one's probably got to go there. That's the only place I could see where that would go. This one was there. No, that's not right either. There it goes. That's it. I got it. It's all good. Move fast. Whew. Alright, screw it. Just use the wrench. I don't know why I'm trying to use the mind glove to take those guys out. What's up, guys? Oh man, that was... just rain death upon them. Alright, let's get back up this way. Let's keep on moving. Got a lot of station to clear here. Oh, get up. Get up. Oh, wait. There it goes. Alright. Had a mine that prematurely exploded there. Not a problem I have at all, let me tell you that. 100% never happens. Whoa! Alright, bring that guy over to the mine. Come on. Oh, he's stuck. And I'm dead. Yay! Okay, there we go. That solves that problem. So, in kind of the sporting world news today, so the NBA playoffs have started. I've only had 2 games that I've watched so far today. I watched the Golden State Warriors just absolutely dominate the Pelicans. Come on, hold on. Let me get this shot. Then we'll get back to talking about basketball. Yeah, but I watched the Golden State Warriors just absolutely trounced the Pelicans. Wasn't even close, to be honest. Oh God! Scoot about. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I can get to the part where I can actually have a conversation. We'll get to there. Yeah, that's how you do it. But yeah. So, the third time I'll say this, the Golden State Warriors trounced the Pelicans. I watched Paul Pierce and the Wizards. God, what is it about Paul Pierce in the playoffs? He is the ultimate troll. All he does, and especially when he plays the Raptors, it's hard for any Canadian Raptor or any Raptor fans in America as well. Paul Pierce has got your number, and I mean, even if it's just one game, I could be completely wrong. I mean, I'm not an expert or anything. And probably by the time this video comes out, it'll be long past game 1 anyways. But I just don't see you guys coming back. So if I'm wrong, then yeah, you will know. And you can laugh at me all you want, that I was an idiot and I was wrong and I didn't know what I was talking about, and Paul Pierce ain't got nothing on Toronto. So yeah, there you go. But from what I watched in game 1, he just got in y'all's head again. He just made Kyle Lowry just turn into Kyle Lowry did nothing. Valanciunas did nothing. If it wasn't for DeMar DeRozan in that game, it wouldn't even been close. Amir Johnson had a good game too, so I watched him. So, but yeah, horrible. Okay, let's keep it moving here though. think right now they're about to start Dallas and Houston, which I really want to watch. I'll probably have it on my other laptop while I'm doing this, so if I randomly get excited about something for no apparent reason, you'll know why. Alright, let's get down the ramp here. Alright. Oh, we got lots of dudes. What's up, everybody? How you guys doing tonight? Everything good? Let's just do first person shooting here. Yes. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh. There we go. Okay. Oh, I was a little nervous there. Collect this part. Alright, hopefully no more death. Alright, let's get rolling. That's perfect time to get in here. Whoop! Whew. Close. Close, close, close. Alright, let's wait for that to go back up one time, and then we'll swing across. And I'm gonna immediately throw Mind Glove bullets down, so let's go ahead and... Oh, no, I can't select that. Okay. Up. Woo! That was a crazy explosion. Look. Alright. On to this part. Oh boy. Oh, I'm dead. Damn it. Okay, let's get it rolling. Let's not die this time. That's oh, that was close. All right, run, go Ratchet, go, Ratchet, go, Ratchet, go. Okay. Lava walls. They can be terrifying. Get out of here. Yeah. Ugh. Too many guys. Alright, let's get going down here. Oh, God. Okay, that's good. That actually works. Alright, whew. Okay, up we go. Okay. Ooh, there's definitely a tower up there we gotta get. Shit. Can you get to a higher level? Like a higher... Oh, looks like I can go this way. Okay, maybe this... Yeah, this has gotta be it. It's probably the only way you can hit it. As you can jump up here. Get to the Gadgetron vendor and restock your ammo, which I'm about to do right now. And buy me a new weapon. Let's buy the drone device. Max that out. Maxed out of that. Alright. Get that Devastator out. There we go. So we got the drone device here. This weapon I actually didn't pick up the last time I played this, so I don't really know what this does. Looks like a defensive shield though, from what I can gather. Oh, another one of these things. Alright, that should do it. Okay, there we go. Simple as that. Not simple and clean. That's a Kingdom Hearts joke there. I'm so funny. Oh. Alright, let's get this knocked. Yeah, it looks definitely like a shield because there were 6 of them before I started fighting that plane, and now there's only 2. So it must be like a little shield. Alright, let's use the trespasser and get in here. Ooh, this is like a fun one. Alright, so that one's got to go that one because it's the only one that's not blocking it. That one's got to go there. Just kidding. Maybe this one there? Oh, no, what am I doing? These two... Oh, just kidding, I got it. What? Man, you want to talk about pure luck. Sneaky. Oh, God. Well, that took him out. I guess that's what you were supposed to do. Haha. Alright, now we can go back. So as you notice in probably many of the games that I play, my brain is kind of wired to where, like, the first, like, probably 5 or 6 levels of a game, you know, I kind of know how to do pretty much, I know how to do mostly everything. When I start getting past that, every level after that starts becoming more and more of a problem as far as like trying to remember where this stuff is and where to go. I'm not really sure why. Something to do with like some kind of psychology or something, or science or something. It's way beyond my ability to comprehend. So, oh my God, what the? Oh, I'm dead. Oh, Jesus. Didn't even realize I was dying. Alright. Well, let's try this again. Okay. Alright. Run. Hi. Oh my God. There we go, and that's how you cheese it. I don't know what I was doing that first time. But yeah, like I was saying before, when like, and maybe it's just me, I think it's got to be other you guys are the same way. But when you play games, and especially games that you played before, do you tend to have more trouble when you begin a game just trying to remember where everything is, or like is it more towards the middle, or is it towards the end where you really just can't remember anything? Because I feel like most people, like, they have these situations where you just have complete and total brain fart, and you get to an area, and like I said, you okay, whoa, it's my problem when I talk and play at the same time. I do stupid things. Is there a way in that door? There's got to be a way in there somewhere. Maybe? Okay, guess not. I guess I just gotta book it. Alright. Sure, this is not how you're supposed to do this. Yeah, I just got freaking massacred. At least they start you here, though. Okay, I guess that is how you're supposed to do it, because I just did it. Whoa! Flip it upside down. Yeah, these levels start getting all kinds of crazy. Just wait till the next couple of games, though. See, look. Like, notice right now, we're on the roof. And there are a ton of bad guys above us. So we actually need to find a way to flip over. Because right now they don't even notice that we're there. Let's see. Or do we need to, I think we actually need to get in the ship, so. Oh God. Oh God. Go, no, Glove of Doom. Attack, attack, attack. Mine glove, mine glove, mine glove, mine glove, mine glove, mine... Not Mein Kampf, my glove. Oh god. Okay. Alright. We're doing good. Nope, nope, we're not doing good anymore. Okay, run. Run. God, look at all of these guys are still here. Okay. I'm so dead. So dead. So dead. Alright, yes. I think I might have done it. I think, oh my god, am I not dead? Please just kill him. Just kill him. No, don't. You son of a bitch. Alright, that's the only. Is that the last one left? Get out of here. Die. Oh. Oh. How the hell did I do that? Oh my god. Holy shit. Alright, well let's keep it moving then. I am worn the hell out. I hope the end's coming up soon. Okay. Up this way.
Hello, Captain Ratchet. Come and get me, hero.
Perhaps we could obtain a ship in there.
Great idea. Let's go.
Yeah, buddy. Shooting missiles.
Here's a little something from me to you.
Oh god. So,
Pretty good. For a beginner.
I forgot this is somewhat difficult. Load up. Launch on.
Time to get up close and personal.
Damn right it is. Alright, blow it up. Blow it up. Blow it up. Yep. Got it. Oh. We need more missiles. So I need to shoot more of these. I think the asteroids and whatnot give you more. Maybe. Nope. Great. That's awesome. We're out of missiles. Now we're definitely out of missiles. Take them down. Jet fighters. Just wait till the future games, man. The flying in these games gets so good. Like the little flying missions. Hey, this is really basic right now, and it's still really fun, don't get me wrong. Oh, there goes one. Oh good, I need some health. Okay. I need missiles more, so if you guys, any one of you guys want to drop some missiles, that'd be great. Meteor. Actually, it's not a meteor, it's an asteroid. Gotta get the terms right. Alright, more health. Okay, take them down, take them down. Alright, yes. Have more health. Any one of these gonna drop missiles? Or are they all gonna be... Alright, there goes. Got 3 left. Really shouldn't have just wasted all of the missiles like right in the beginning. But I was trying to relearn the controls. Alright, last one.
Well,
There you go.
if you want a job done right, you gotta do it yourself.
Alright, blow it up. Blow them up. Blow them up. Did it get me?
You are in big trouble. Big trouble.
Take him out, take him out, take him out. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Oh god. Come on. Okay. Alright. Yep. Got it. Alright. Shoot him. Blow it up. He's only got one more jet engine left. Oh, the mines. Oh, God. Pulling the G's. Actually, I have no idea. I don't know enough about space, but I'm assuming there's not really any G-force in space because there's no gravity. So how could gravity be producing a force? Oh, God. Don't.
I'm always like you, kiddo.
Jesus, the mines are crazy. Too many mines. Too many mines. Too many mines.
Why don't we just call it a day? Let bygones be bygones.
Well,
Hear me there?
if you'd stop shooting mines at me, we can do that. Quark? Okay, we got it.
Well, Ratchet, I'd say you passed the test. Oh, boy.
Yes! Quark is history.
Despite my earlier criticism, I must admit your piloting skills are improving.
I knew you'd come around.
But that has not helped us locate Drek.
Come on, Clank. Can't you just once relax and enjoy a little success? Hey, you want to catch Drek? Betcha this baby can do it.
This is Darla Gratch reporting live from Gorda City. This once peaceful planet is being torn apart today in an unprovoked attack. It now seems certain that Supreme Executive Chairman Drek will not be dissuaded in his efforts to destroy the galaxy for his own selfish needs. All hope certainly seems lost.
Darla Gratch, Channel 2 News.
Yes, I know. It is worse than I expected, too.
Look, maybe you were right. This is a lot bigger than you or me. I was really selfish focusing on Quark.
It is not too late to stop Drek.
Hey, yeah! We've got this new ship. Let's go get him!
Now you are talking.
Woohoo! New ship. Alright, so let's go on to the Gorda City ruins. And we will call it an episode. Oh, you son of a bitch!
Clank, come on, wake up!
Captain Quark?
No, goofball. It's me, Ratchet.
What happened?
You got toasted by lightning. This place is having one heck of a storm. You won't be safe out there. I'll be right back.
Ooh, so this level is without Clank. Find out how fun it is in the next episode. You guys take care. Take it easy. Bye.